Have you ever glanced at that box of baking soda in your pantry and wondered if it has any uses beyond baking? Believe it or not, dissolving this humble white powder in water can trigger a host of potential health perks, from easing joint pain to giving your workouts an edge. But it's a two-edged sword. If you get the dose or timing wrong, baking soda water can cause more problems than it solves. Today we'll explore 12 science-backed benefits of sipping baking soda water. Along the way, you'll learn how it eases gout flare-ups, why it helps your body stay in pH balance, the secret to faster muscle recovery, its role as a natural antacid, potential support for kidney health, a simple rinse for mouth and throat discomfort, a soothing bath for inflamed skin, quick heartburn relief, urinary tract support, an edge in high-intensity exercise, a breath-freshening hack how to mix and dose it safely. Plus, we'll wrap up with essential precautions so you can try this remedy without risking your health. Eases gout. Pain. What is gout? Gout happens when uric acid in the blood crystallizes inside the joints, often the big toe, triggering sudden swelling, redness, and excruciating pain. How baking soda helps. Baking soda is naturally alkaline. When you drink it, you raise the pH of your blood and urine, which helps keep uric acid dissolved rather than forming painful crystals. Study highlight, 2024, British Journal of Hospital Medicine. Gout patients who added baking soda to their usual treatment had significantly lower uric acid levels and fewer joint deposits. Warning: baking soda is high in sodium. If you have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or heart disease, consult your doctor before trying this. Restores your body's acid-base balance. Why pH matters. Your body thrives in a narrow pH range. Too acidic, and you may feel sluggish, inflamed, or run down. Chronic acidity has been linked to inflammation, fatigue, and long-term disease risk. Baking soda's role. The alkalinity of baking soda can neutralize excess acid, nudging your body back toward balance. Study highlight, 2024, Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry. Participants who drank bicarbonate-rich mineral water showed healthier urine pH and improved acid-base balance. Pro tip: think of baking soda water as an occasional reset, not a daily crutch. A veggie-heavy diet, regular exercise, and hydration are your first line of defense against acidity. Reduces post-workout soreness. What causes muscle soreness? After intense exercise, acids like lactic acid build up in your muscles, leading to that familiar burn and stiffness. Buffering the burn. Baking soda acts as a buffer, helping neutralize these acids so you recover faster. Study highlight, Frontiers. In nutrition, athletes supplementing with baking soda reported less muscle soreness and quicker recovery than those who did not. Dosage tip: start with 1–2 teaspoons in water. Too much can cause bloating or nausea. Always test your tolerance first. A natural antacid for occasional heartburn. Why heartburn happens. When stomach acid backs up into your esophagus, it irritates the lining, causing pain and a burning sensation. Instant relief. The alkalinity of baking soda neutralizes stomach acid on contact. Clinical note, American Journal of Gastroenterology. Sodium bicarbonate is a recognized over-the-counter antacid, providing fast relief for occasional indigestion. Caution: use only for infrequent. Heartburn. Persistent symptoms warrant a doctor's visit. Chronic reflux can damage your esophagus. Supports kidney health, metabolic acidosis, and CKD. In chronic kidney disease, kidneys struggle to remove acid, leading to metabolic acidosis and faster kidney damage. Baking soda's buffering action. By neutralizing blood acidity, baking soda can reduce strain on the kidneys. Meta-analysis, 2021, Frontiers in Pharmacology. CKD patients on sodium bicarbonate supplementation experienced slower kidney function decline. Important: this strategy must be supervised by a physician. Overuse can worsen fluid retention and blood pressure. Soothes mouth and throat irritations, canker sores, and sore throats. A mildly acidic mouth environment can aggravate ulcers, a sore throat, or gum inflammation, gentle rinse. A 1–2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water can reduce acidity, calm inflammation, and control bacterial growth. Practical benefit. Many users report faster healing of canker sores after regular mild baking soda rinses. Note: avoid over-rinsing. Too much can dry out your mouth. Calms irritated skin eczema, rashes and sunburns. Skin irritation often involves local acidity and inflammation. Soothing bath. Add 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The alkaline water can relieve itching, reduce redness, and improve comfort. Warning: if you have open wounds or severe skin conditions, consult your doctor before trying a baking soda soak. Sensitive skin can react badly to too much alkalinity. Instant heartburn relief acid reflux attack. When stomach acid flares up, a quick dose of baking soda water can neutralize the burn. DIY antacid. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoon baking soda in a glass of water. Sip slowly for rapid relief. Reminder: this is for occasional use only. Over-reliance can disturb electrolytes and mask serious issues. A handy ally against UTIs, urinary tract infections. Bacteria, especially E. coli, thrive in acidic urine. Raising urinary pH can make your bladder less hospitable to them. Baking soda support. Occasional 1–2 teaspoon in water may help alkalize urine, easing symptoms and slowing infection growth. Clinical caution. Serious UTIs require antibiotics. Don't delay medical treatment by relying on home remedies alone. 10. Supercharges high-intensity workouts muscle pH and performance. Intense exercise spikes muscle acidity, triggering fatigue. Buffering advantage. Taking about 0.2–0.3 g baking soda per kg body weight an hour before exercise can delay fatigue and boost endurance. Research, International Society of Sports Nutrition. Athletes using baking soda saw improved performance and less post-exercise soreness. Tip: always start with a lower dose to gauge tolerance. Gastrointestinal upset is the most common side effect of overdosing. Freshens breath and fights. Oral bacteria bad breath culprit. Acidity in the mouth fosters odor-causing bacteria. Quick rinse. Gargling baking soda water once daily can neutralize acids, curb bacterial growth, and leave your breath fresher. Pro tip: continue your regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. This is simply an extra freshness boost. Santi: how to prepare it safely. Measure 1–2 teaspoon of baking soda, about 2 grams. Dissolve in 8 ounces 240 milliliters of room temperature water. Sip slowly on an empty stomach or between meals. Limit use to occasional support. No more than a few times a week unless your doctor advises otherwise. Remember, baking soda water is a short-term tool, not a daily staple. Always check with your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine, especially if you have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or take regular medications. Moderation is crucial. Overuse can disrupt electrolytes, raise blood pressure, or worsen kidney function. Not a replacement for professional treatment of chronic conditions like hypertension, CKD, or serious infections. Consult your doctor if you have existing health concerns before trying baking soda water. Listen to your body. If you experience digestive upset, swelling, headache, or other adverse effects, discontinue use immediately. Baking soda water is one of those kitchen cupboard treasures that packs a surprising punch, whether you're tackling gout pain, soothing a sore throat, or striving for a new personal record at the gym. With the right dose, timing, and medical guidance, this simple remedy can be a powerful addition to your health toolkit. Have you ever tried baking soda water? Or are you curious to see if it might help you? Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. And if you found this guide useful, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more practical, research-backed health tips. Here's to unlocking everyday remedies for a healthier, happier you, one glass at a time.